unicorn pop it. Wow, very cute. Hehe. Wow. Wih, this is unicorn pop it, guys. Look at. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel ZDN Toys. Wow, guys. Wih. Wow. Look at that. So many little horse and girl here. Wow. Very nice. Wow. This is very lucky, guys. Very surprise. Okay, guys. Time to collect it. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell. Okay, thank you. Let's go. Wow. What is this, guys? Wih, this is unicorn squishy. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Bim salabim. Sing swang. Wow. Amazing, guys. Next. Wow. Very much. Wow. What it is, guys? Look at that. Hey, this is very amazing. Wow. And like this one. Wow. This is unicorn rainbow squishy. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Seems the same. Hey, amazing, guys. Wow. This is so pretty. Who it is? Wow. She is Rarity. Wow, very nice. And next this one. Whoa, this is Pinky Pie. So cute, guys. Wow. And next, this is wow, Applejack. And next, wow, small one. This is Apple Bloom. Wow. This is DJ Pontry. Wow, very nice. And next, this one. This is Twilight Sparkle, guys. Whoa, very cute. And this one, so pretty, guys. This is Fluttershy. Nice shoes. Wow, very nice. And this one, wow, this is Sunset Shimmer. Wow, so amazing and cute. And next, this is Rainbow Dust, guys. Whoa, very pretty and beautiful, guys. Wow. And the last girl, wow, she's Applejack. Wow, apple dress and apple sauce. This is Applejack. Okay, next. Wow, so many again. Okay, guys, let's collect it. Wow, what it is? This is Pinky Pie. Wow, so cute. No, this is Rainbow Dust, guys. And this one, this is Pinky Pie. Wow, very cute. Wow, using dress. Wow. And this one, this is Rarity. Wow, this is Rarity, guys. Long hair. And this one, this is Mermaid Rarity, guys. Very cute, guys. Wow, very cute. Blue hair. Wow, so nice hairstyle. Mermaid Rarity. Okay, guys, so many again. And this one, My Little Pony Twilight Sparkle, guys. Wow. And next, this one, this is Pinky Pie. Next, wow, this is rainy twilight sparkle, guys. Wow, very nice dress. Wow, I like this one. Wih, this is Applejack. Wow, wow. This is Rarity. Wow, very perfect. Wow, and the last one, Little Pony. This is Rainbow Dash, guys. Wow, Rainbow Dash. Ho ho ho. Oh, and the last one, big one, unicorn. Wow, unicorn pop it. Wow, very cute. Hehe. Wow. Wih, this is unicorn pop it, guys. Look at that. Wow. Push, 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 push. Hehehe. Very nice, guys. Wow, unicorn pop it. Okay. Thanks you guys for watching this video. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, see you. Bye bye. Time to go home. Ho ho ho.